Welcome to another edition of Ask Appy. I'm Abhinav Girdhar, founder of Appy. Today's question comes from Mike, who owns a small restaurant in London, United Kingdom. And he wonders if he could use our platform to create a small restaurant app and accept payments using a point of sales app. Yes, Mike, you can certainly create an app for your restaurant. You need to add the food court feature that we have on Appy. Once you have added that feature, you need to add the items you are selling in the menu. You can set up the delivery pickup options that we have. And once you've already done all the entire configuration, you will see a point of sales feature appear in your My Apps backend. You need to click on the point of sales. You need to then set up the point of sales app. Once you have done that, you can start accepting payments using a point of sales. Let me explain you how it works. So you have two ways of using it. Once you have a delivery boy who is actually going to deliver the order to your customer, he can then accept the payment using a point of sales app. You need to first buy that point of sales from Stripe. We have provided the details in the link below, so you can just purchase that hardware. It basically then configures it to the point of sales app that we have on the delivery side of the business. So customer can provide you a card. You simply need to add that card into the point of sales device, and payment then get accepted by the device and the customer gets a confirmation. The second option is the pickup option. So if a customer comes to a restaurant and has a pickup, which as you would appreciate, is in highly demand because of the coronavirus. So what you need to do is log in back to the delivery app. It would be in the delivery section. Once you log in, it'll become a payment collector app. So what you need to do is, once you log in, you'll see all the pickup orders over there. So you need to match the pickup order number, and then you need to process the payments using the point of sales, similarly what the delivery boy had to do. So now, with the same delivery app, you can accept the payments by going to the customer's residence if you're having the delivery boy option, or you have a rider who is delivering the orders. And not only that, and if the customer is coming to pick up their order from your restaurant as a pickup, even then you can accept payments using a point of sales. So you can accept all these different payments using the point of sales app that we have created, which is integrated to your food court feature. If you like this edition, then do share it on social media channels like Facebook and Twitter, and do remember to subscribe to our channel.